nakaantok. Oo, Des. 4 na araw lang.
Now it's 3 lanes.
No, just like just here in the middle.
Really? Like right
Yeah.
here? So right
No,
here,
right on the bridge.
Right on the bridge.
Middle of this bridge.
Yeah, we're in the middle lane right now.
Yeah, and 7:30, and you know the picture.
Lots of traffic.
Oh yeah, 7:30 here. Yep.
Okay.
It's like really. Ganun pala, no? Yung kala mo bakasyon, happy, kaya lang gigising ka ng maaga. So, kailangan talagang, kung gusto makuha yung gusto mo, talagang sacrifice pa muna. Yung sarap-sarap ng tulog mo na alas 2, tas magising ka. Pagtrabaho tayo, kailan bakasyon eh. This is ugly travel. What time is our flight? 5?
5 a.m. wheels up.
Okay.
Yeah. So we gotta get.
This ganda. Correct. Oo, 1 oras ang biyahe sa airport. Kaya siguro malapit na tayo. Naka 14 minutes pala. Oh, you did it 14 minutes. We're still doing 14 minutes. Oh, grabe. Ayan. Malayo. Ayan, kaya this ganda, sabi ni Chay. Oh, Maricar, busog-lusog.
If I should go to the right or the left. We'll get around this corner.
That's a hard decision to make with one car in front of you.
Want me to go left?
Sure. Otherwise, you're gonna wait for this. And may isang sasakyan.
He's got a Subaru. He's going good.
Yeah. He's probably going to the airport also.
Yeah. We just didn't want to follow him, so definitely get over here. So it's spraying with too much snow.
Ay, hindi. YouTuber ako, mega love shoutout. Hindi maiwan sila. Hello sa ating 21 million. Uy, hello babaeng pinagpala channel team. Hello, mega love shoutout. Kumusta sis? Ayan. Babaeng pinagpala, mega love shoutout. Bigyan kita ng jacket sis. Ayan, may jacket ka na. Thank you sis sa ticket. Oo nga, hindi ko sinama kasi basta kami sa may pasok sila. Ayun. Ayan, medyo konti ang snow dito sa bayan.